Hey guys, this is John Edward Randall again. I want to do that face because I tried to do it in the last one and we cut off early. Anyways, I want to tell you my solution to a lot of things. Basically, I wanted to find a grant for immortality technology. Like I say, I'm the best at solving problems. The best in the world. Apparently, there's something else going on. How can one man be the best? How can one man have all that power? The best at solving any problem. Any problem. I learned it from the best, and that's how I became the best. Let's move on. I'm going to have to create this in a Word document and print it out as PDF. You'll be able to find what we talked about later online in the link that I provide, if there is a link. It's quiet. They're actually lying about that. Apparently, I'm being stalked by scammers in the black market, which means it's run by black people or people with dark skin color. Does not surprise me, knowing how corrupt they could get. Anybody could get corrupt. Even white people could get corrupt. It does not matter your skin color. Anyways, let's talk about some of this stuff. Zoom in on here that I want to talk about. We only have about 9 minutes. Time right now is 10:56 p.m. 22:56 Eastern Time. The date is April 14th, 2017. Okay? Boop, 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 boop. This is your world leader, John Edward Randall. What I want to talk about basically was something interesting. Okay. Squat. Okay, something interesting, and that was my solution to time travel. Okay. Okay. So what I want to talk about is that I came up with something a while ago. It's basically called image broadcasting theory. Okay. It says it right on my blog, 10 Jack of Hearts.blogspot.com, which is old, and it's changed to xjhearts.blogspot.com. Okay. Honestly, I'm wasting so much time. This is a 1,000-page master thesis. Okay. What I want to talk about with image broadcasting is that I said it myself. You are what you eat. What does eat mean? I talked about a piece of clay, which is basically a term that was invented by a philosopher way back. Okay? When you say piece of clay, you are a piece of clay, it basically means that whatever imprints against you basically molds you into your future. Okay? When I said you are what you eat, I basically meant that you are what you sense. And what you sense is what you are. Okay? So in one of my online things on YouTube, a piece of perception, a brief of perception. You might figure out what I'm talking about. I also wrote this to DARPA and told them some of this theory. Okay. All right. So what are we talking about? Oh yes, image broadcasting. Oh, my solution to time travel. So what I found out through image broadcasting theory is that mirrors have a lot to do with everything. Okay. Okay, I came up with that. With everything. Obviously, this language can be transcoded to other theories. I learned that from somebody else. Okay, I learned it from the best, and that's why I'm the best. Okay, time travel, which they probably already have the solution. In my own recognition, occurs on at least two different levels. We have time travel via light in a local space or domain. In which case, what I said yesterday, your perception or actual physical discharge or discourse is manipulated by faggot. Sorry. Manipulated via the light properties around it. Around you. Okay? Okay? It's light in a local space or domain. Okay? Which basically means that if you change the properties around you, you may end up in a different dimension. Okay, now let's move on because we don't have that much time. The second way you can time travel is via mirror, using time propagation, okay, at large distances in order to compensate for the time travel. Obviously, propagation. Oops. Oh my goodness, this way. Yeah. Propagation is the amount of time. Somebody else came up with this. I learned it from the best, and that's why I became the best. Time it takes for a light or data packet to go from sender to receiver. Okay, so in between the sender and the receiver, which is what I put in my image broadcasting or gravity solution or whatever it is. Okay, you have A, the sender, and then B, the receiver. Okay, in this space right here, this space up here, okay, we have some type of delay or some type of warp. Okay, we're gonna figure this out later because I just figured it out. I just figured something out based on saying warp. Okay, all right, right now. Okay, which basically means that we're traveling through some type of weird type of thing, but I'm not gonna tell you. Okay, obviously I could write it down, but I'm not supposed to tell you. Okay, so in between A and B, we have the storage device, which is time. See? Obviously, it's a storage device. It means that we have a difference between the state of the data at each end. Okay, I can prove it, but I don't have that much time. Let's move on. Okay, that means that the data at A is different than the data at B. Okay, obviously I'm not explaining it, immaculately, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, so when you send a light packet out 1.1 hours, which is equivalent to light hours. Okay, Lonnie. Okay, light hours into outer space. It basically means, based on Einstein's theory, I learned it from the best, and that's why I'm the best. Or anybody else's, speed of light equation, which basically it ain't a speed. You'll figure it out what it was. I figured it out right on the last page. Okay, that it actually has a speed. It's not infinitely fast. It actually is slower than infinitely fast. Okay, which basically means that it takes time. Oh, looks like we got 30 seconds. Okay, while it's taking time, the Earth gets older. Okay, both Earths might get older, which is why I also was saying this to myself. I'm saying this other thing to myself is like, don't really matter. It's like if sin's there, and sin is there, but it's so fast. Oh yeah, so there's a compensation. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna try to explain this to you later. This is John Randall.